So this is gonna be real quick and easy. All the other videos be taking like 8 years to do all this, but this is a quick, easy way for drop shipping people or people that's at home got your own products and whatever. Want to go ahead and sell it? I say go ahead and use Big Cartel. Sign up there. It's real easy. Like I ain't making no video for that. Like it's common sense for that. Like come on, you can do that. All right, sign up for that. Bam. Then you want to go ahead and do Printful, firm all that BS. Yeah, blase blase. Skip that. All right, now you're gonna choose your platform. Our platform gonna be Big Cartel, like I said. Bam, connect that, and bam, yeah, allow. Connect the Big Cartel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Add a first product. I want to make some backwood backpacks. Who? Nope. Let's do the shirt. Um, yeah, let's do the shirt I just made. Uh, I like the black. We're gonna go with that one. Bam. 4 to 7 days. You can get that real quick. Real quick. Brrr, bing. Boom like a bow, like a bow, like a bean. Go ahead, you do your little thing. The ting to your fring. Alright, print. Yeah, we're gonna do that one. Color's gonna be black. Alright, choose file. Upload. All content content. You have rights commercial. Yeah, whatever. Everybody just don't even read that. So yeah, you see, I got some stuff that I was trying to create up in here. Ooh, that JR Smith special. That JR Smith special. Boy, if this jump makes some money, JR, but do not sue me, bro. You already got cake. You feel me? So let your boy side. Matter of fact, just buy one for your boy. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. Yeah, select that one. We're gonna select that one. Upload that bad boy. Oh man, I already did upload. Oh my bad, I'm tripping. Print quality average. Make my jump better. We'll put it right there. Bam. All right, now we just do text in the front. They ain't charged for that, so burn. We already trying to tax these niggas. I'm just playing. Burn C O A C. There you go. We gonna change that color to off a little gray a little bit. Bring that down. Switch that font. Ooh, they already got something that we like. We're gonna stretch that I like that. That text like that. Alright. You can do a shadow, do a white shadow. No shadow. No shadow. That's a little nasty. That's done a little nasty. Ooh, no. Ooh, that look kind of tough, though. No. Yeah, we ain't gonna do nothing. So, yeah. Nah, we ain't gonna do nothing. Alright, bam. Got that. Got a product. Print it. Design. Hit proceed to markups. That's what the white one gonna look like. That's what the black one gonna look like. Let's keep it simple. White and black. Black and white. Keep this on your head top. Proceed to markup. Come on. Ooh, alright. First one, let's see. I don't like homie standing like that. So yeah, we'll do that one. Why they got whole boy standing like that? That dunk is crazy. Bam. Here we go. They got mock up. Front, main mock up image. Bam. Rocking with that one. Let's see the details. We're gonna leave that. This is a special. This is a special, so we can call this a special. It's only gonna be up for a little bit. So the ones viewing y'all, I don't know what that means. The ones that's viewing this, bro, y'all gonna be able to like Go ahead and cop this on the same time. What is Christmas, the holidays? Yeah, happy holidays. New Year to y'all people. Yeah, this is gonna be it. Then we'll go ahead and hit a quick little rub hand like Birdman. Oh, this is the special. This is the JR special. Ooh, that's gonna be tough. A JR special out of the Burn One Coach collection. Burn One Coach collection. Bam, in the game like swimwear. Put that back. Okay. Hey, how you do, your boy? Bam, leave all that. Then we're gonna do the JR special. Copy. Oh. Black and also white. I guess capitalize that, make it a little professional, huh? Bang bang. Alright, black and white. Take the also out. We ain't writing no goddamn paragraph. Go back. Tripping. So we're gonna go ahead and hit we're gonna do sizes. We got small 3X, boy. We got you big boys out there. Oh, they ain't never see the big man get off the roof. They ain't never see the jump man get off the roof. They ain't never see the big man get off the roof. They ain't never see the big man get off the roof like this. All right, we out. Bam. Let's go ahead and hit that. We look legit. Ooh, let me what to do. Oh, baby. Oh. Call that the JR special. Come on, JR. Don't sue your boy. Don't sue your boy. Grade A. Should have put that on. That's going to be the next one. I'll make another one for you. Grade A. Short sleeve, unisex, Burn One collection. The Burn One collection. So y'all was out here. Alright. Bam. Proceed to processing. Let's see. Shoot. What, 30? Ooh. Bam. Alright. It's crazy. 25. Still crazy. 22. Yeah, that's how much you pay for a shirt, right? About 34 when you go to like Tilly's and all that. Yeah, that's about straight. Alright, so yeah, we'll just do 22. Then we're gonna go ahead and hit submit to store. Voila! JR special is cooking up. And that is how you do it. Then we're gonna go back. You can't update your product list of products. Go out of stock. Oh, that's inventory tracking. Alright, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Products from the store. You can go ahead and sync them now or sync them as orders come in. You're gonna sync as orders come in, you feel me? Come in. If there are products you don't wish to fulfill through Printful, you can mark them as an order. If automatic fulfillment is turned on, all of the products in order are synced and the order will be fulfilled automatically. If some products aren't synced, the order will be saved as draft so you can sync products on the fly. I don't know why I remembered it. I don't know why I said that. But anyway, bam. Go over here. Voila. Burn one coach, you in effect, boy. Get your shirt, boy. In the game, boy. You feel me? Get that bad boy. That done nice and clean. You feel me? Look. Burn one coach. Champion. Alright. So bam, that's how we gonna do that. There you go. Quick and simple, quick and easy. You feel me? You gonna turn on that automate, make sure that bad boy go smooth like that. You feel me? And that's how you do it. Oh, I don't even know what to do. See with the true. Oh. And then that green pine. And then how to give me 5.